Hi, Michael Schuster here on behalf of the team of various divorce specialists at Divorce Specialist Group. I recently had a chat with a financial expert at Divorce Specialist Group about finances during and after divorce. We talked about differences in the financial requirements and the risks anyone has to deal with through divorce at early ages, and even gray divorces, divorces after 50. The divorce rate for couples 50 and older, called gray divorces, has nearly doubled in the last 15 to 20 years. Divorce in older couples has the potential to be even more financially consequential because there are sizable assets involved. With more being financially at stake, it makes it more important than ever to have a wealth plan designed with a trusted and proven wealth management professional. Of course, divorce for couples at any age can have serious financial consequences without proper knowledge and planning and guidance. So this financial planner shared some key items that he always helps clients work through. I thought they were really informative, so I'm going to share them with you right now. Number one, update your will, your powers of attorney, your beneficiaries, your trading authorizations, and things like that immediately. I encourage you to also see our blog post and our video called The Biggest Mistake People Make with Wills and Life Insurance in Divorce. It covers the extreme risks of not changing your executors and your beneficiaries and your trustees until your divorce is finalized, and what can happen during your separation if you don't do it soon enough. So while that video talked about trustees and executors and beneficiaries in your will and your life insurance, the same principle applies to your investment accounts and your trading accounts. Now, the process of finalizing divorce can potentially take a year or 2 years and even longer in some situations. You want to ensure that your beneficiaries are who you intend them to be during this separation period. Immediately updating your will, your power of attorney, and beneficiaries on your various RRSPs and RIFs and TFSAs and your investment accounts will ensure that you have peace of mind and your financial assets are protected while you are going through the separation process. Also ensure that your soon-to-be ex no longer has authorization on any of those accounts. And by the way, if your soon-to-be ex intends to stay with your financial planner or advisor, this is probably a good time to begin your search for an alternative financial planner for you. You're starting a new path with new finances, some old, some new risk tolerance, new investment goals, new budgets, new tax planning. You need someone to guide you right from the beginning, even the pre-planning stages. So again, don't wait until after your divorce is final to start thinking about this. This is important to do from the beginning because you'll need knowledge of your financial blueprint when it comes time to meet with your lawyer or mediator to potentially negotiate a settlement. Number two, understand your investment accounts. If you're not the one who traditionally handled the financial decisions, ensure that you have the information to access all of your assets, including your investment accounts. Ask yourself a few questions. Do I know about all of the investment, bank, or other financial accounts that make up the assets that I might be entitled to? How is each account set up? In my name only, my spouse's name only, jointly, or some other way? Do I have the account numbers and the login credentials, contact information, and other necessary information to access these accounts? Am I able to make decisions in these accounts and place a hold on withdrawals if necessary or transfers? It will pay to have full understanding before the process begins. Make sure you check out our other video called Huge Financial Mistake by All Couples Getting a Divorce, which covers much more detail on this topic in particular and how your spouse might have the upper hand by having a lot more information about your finances than you do. So please make sure you check that out. It can be very dangerous. The third thing from this financial planner is understand portability and penalties on your current investments and assets. Negotiating from a position of strength and full information is always a good thing. Understanding the characteristics of the investments currently held with your spouse will help you ensure that you get full value during the split of your assets. Understanding the portability of investments from one spouse to another, or clarity of embedded redemption charges, are also important. And again, if these are things you don't understand, all the more reason that you need to talk to a trusted financial planner and specialist. Number 4, start the discussion of your own wealth and estate plan. Although it may feel like so much is changing in your life, taking note of what would be important to you in developing your own independent wealth and estate plan is very helpful and very important. That way, once your divorce is finalized, you'll have a clear path right away. And again, enlist the help of a new independent wealth professional early in the separation process. Don't wait until after your divorce is final to start thinking about all of this. Even though there may not be much wealth or financial management required until the finalization of your divorce, it's important to find someone you have confidence in early, now in fact, who can discuss an initial plan of action and help you address all of the immediate checklist items that I've mentioned above. You'll need someone who understands the process of divorce and starting a new path after divorce, and understands what information they can help you provide to your lawyer for your settlement conferences and your settlement negotiations. You'll need someone not just with financial knowledge, but equally important, integrity, to help you get all of this done and consistently understand your objectives all along the way. So if you do have questions about this topic or anything else related to your divorce, remember Divorce Specialist Group has the highest vetting process I've ever seen, the best professionals with a proven track record of success. They all have the highest level of integrity and genuine empathy, and they are all ready to help. So if you have any questions, just send us an email. All emails, phone calls, meetings are strictly confidential. There's never any pressure or obligation, and you can get a free 30-minute consultation if you would like. Send an email to info@divorcespecialistgroup.com, and thanks for watching. We do wish you well.